usually made of wet flours or oatmeal with baking powder as leavening agent, and bake on a sheet pans. Let's start by sifting the flours, the baking powder. I have a teaspoon of salt. By sifting, it helps to combine them evenly before they are mixed with other ingredients. Then add the caster sugar. And then add on the dice of cold butter. Try to combine by using your fingertips in this method and create a fine breadcrumbs. This, try to make a loophole in the center by adding the cream and a piece of egg. Combine thoroughly and make a perfect dough. By adding some dried fruits like apricot, dried cranberry, dried cherry or dates, or either raisins, which I'm using now, it helps to make a delicious scones really amazing. I'm doing at least 15 mm thickness of my scones here, as I don't want it to turn out like as huge as bread. Petite is better. You can eat more. While cutting or molding your dough in different sizes, don't forget to set your oven for 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes prior to cook our beautiful scones. A beautiful golden color, a crisp like a biscuit outside and as soft as muffin inside. All I can say is I created the best perfect combination of English and American scones. Undeniably beautiful, perfect, classic scones. Clotted cream, a jam. There's a lot of options, but it's just a matter of your choice. Hosting an English high tea party, a meeting, snacks, coffee break. Have it on the table. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's like the way how they love the Queen of England. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is Paul Cook TV signing off and saying bye bye.